Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have Gboard installed and your phone unlocked. Now start by opening the app drawer. Swipe up from the home screen or tap the apps icon, then scan alphabetically or use the search bar to type Gboard. Once found, tap the Gboard icon to open the app page. Make sure you act now. Do not stop to change settings yet. This first step simply gets you inside the app's interface so you can proceed to configuration in the next slide. You're on the Gboard app page. Tap Open or Manage to access the app controls. Once done, go to Permissions and enable microphone and storage if you plan to use voice typing or themes. These permissions let features work properly. Next, go to System Settings Languages and Input or Keyboard Settings and select Gboard as the default keyboard. Make sure to confirm the selection. This step links the app to any text field, so you can test it immediately in the final slide. You should now verify Gboard by opening a messaging app and tapping a text field. The Gboard keyboard should appear. If it does not, go back to Settings Apps Gboard and choose Clear Cache, then try again. If that fails, reinstall Gboard from the Play Store and restart your device. This often fixes permission or installation issues. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no other keyboard is locked as default in Languages and Input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.